Hi folks, this is the Mobile DevOps update for November 4th, 2022. This week I've been focused on adding support for project level secure files to the GitLab runner. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to demo the changes and talk about why they're needed. For some context, project level secure files is a feature that allows files to be securely uploaded to a GitLab project outside of version control so that they can be used in CI jobs. Similar to CI variables, but with support for binary file types and a different UI. This feature is useful for any projects that need to utilize certificates or keys during their build process. And in the case of mobile, we use it to manage provisioning profiles and signing certificates needed in the code signing process. To upload these files, we can simply use the Secure Files section in the CI/CD settings page. Once the files are uploaded, we need a way to load those files into CI jobs in the GitLab runner. The first iteration of this leveraged a Ruby script that used the API to load secure files into a CI job. The script works fine and is actively in use by over 300 projects today, but some users have run into issues, and we need a native integration before we roll out the feature to self-managed customers. The proposal for Secure Files Runner Support MVC describes an implementation similar to the original Ruby script without the extra dependencies. This implementation looks for a CI variable called Secure Files Download Path. If that variable is defined, the Secure Files loader is invoked in the runner, and all the secure files for the project are downloaded to the location specified in the variable. To make this work, I've drafted two MRs, one for GitLab and one for the runner. The GitLab MR extends the payload of the jobs request API to include attributes for the project's secure files, specifically the name, download URL, and checksum. Then, in the runner code, I've added a new helper that is called when the variable is set. The helper will use the job payload to download all the files to the specified location so they're available in the CI job. In this example here, you can see the files being downloaded to the configured location. Both of these MRs are in the early stages, so I'm looking to get feedback on the overall approach as well as the implementation specifics in each change. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions in these MRs or ping me on Slack. That's all for today. The issue for this update is linked in the video description below and has links to everything I've covered in this demo. Thanks for watching.